ngicabanga ukuthi njengabahlali abase-35 kukhona elikufundile namhlanje likubonile ukuthi le nhlangano ize kubahlali yabayicela ukuthi bahlali khethani ikhansela. Siyazi siphila ney'nhlangano phakathi kwemizi yethu efika bakhethane bebabili bebathathu bese bayabuya bathi votelani lo muntu. So mina ngiyanicela ukuthi masiphuma kule ndawo sihambe siyokhuluma nabantu ukuthi siyibonile inhlangano elalela abantu, siyibonile inhlangano engaphozi amandla wayo phakathi kwabantu. So irresponsibility yethu masisuka ukuthi siyokhuluma nabo nomphakathi, and ngifuna sithembise ne-leadership ijolokela ukuthi le ndlovu leyo okuthiwa inkulu come July 23 le ndlovu sizoyidla, and we promise the leadership ukuthi i-Ward 35 sibuya mangigcine amazwi ami ngokuthi momme mapitso a robetseng teng bana beso, she's smiling. Ba tsebang mme mapitso e ne re a nsheba a re ntate Tshabalala ke ne ke lakatsa hore ha ke tloha mona ona sa tsebe mme mapitso o tlo hlokahala. A ke ne ke lakatsa hore ha ke tloha mona ntate Tshabalala o nkene mo jwale le seke la makalla tsatsi le leng la be le nahana hore ke member ya ANC. By the way, ke lakatsa ka hara dipolitiki, I'm not a member of any organization. But ke kajeno le mpone hore ke member ya Umkhonto weSizwe. Do you know why I've decided to join Umkhonto weSizwe? It's because I've been rejected by my own organization. But the organizational factions, either you belong to the secretary or you belong to the chairperson, and I didn't agree with that. When I speak on radio every time, but today MK has managed to recruit me. You know why? Because of their principle. Their principle is saying, Tina Sintanano, Elalela